final grades have been submitted last night, and report cards have been finalized and given out to everybody this morning before the celebration began. I have finished my last-minute preparations for next semester, and I am now ready to see your report cards. Now first and foremost, I'm so proud of all the hard work everyone has put in, and for surviving a stressful semester. And so, here is everybody's end of semester surprise. If you get all A's and or if your GPA is at least between that and the minimum 3.0, your reward is a trip to Super Play USA with me after the end of semester bash, and you get to take home a nice bottle of sangria. If you get no lower than a C and maintain at least a 2.0 or higher, the next evening I will take you out to dinner at Cracker Barrel, and you will get a nice holiday goodie bag. Your goodie bag will include a toy, a movie DVD, a bag of chips, some pens and pencils, a pocket-sized journal, a sample-sized perfume bottle, and a $35 Victoria's Secret gift card. Merry Christmas, my darlings. And a very special congratulations to those who are graduating this semester. You've worked very hard, and your efforts will be greatly rewarded. If you get a D or an incomplete, or say you had to withdraw from a class, but still managed to get good grades, you and I will have a talk for 10 minutes before we go to the lunch, and after I return home from Super Play, we will get together at my house for a comfort celebration. I will cook you some comfort food, bake fresh cookies, and we'll watch movies. This deeply hurts me to say this, but if you get any F's or God forbid all F's, I will hug you and cry like a baby, for I am terrified to know your academic future is on the line. Okay, girls. Let's see those report cards. Everything in the universe is so awesome. I got 6's and 2 B's. Congrats, honey. You've worked so very hard, and I can almost see you graduating here earlier than they said you would. You may go into my office for your sangria bottle. And I will see you at Super Play later this afternoon.
Oh my god, our grandma would be so proud of us today if she were here. We got straight A's.
Well done, dearies. You definitely did your grandma proud. Go ahead and get your sangria bottles from my office, and I'll see you at Super Play real soon.
We hope you are proud of us, Christina. We kept the savages, especially with my sin statistics. It's not my strong suit and I was terrified I was going to fail.
Great job, girls. I have very strong students. I'm very pleased. You may claim your goodie bags from my office, and I look forward to seeing you at Cracker Barrel tomorrow night.
If I may, Christina, I have no money. So would it be okay if I gave my goodie bag as a Christmas present to my daughter Caroline?
How's about I help you out so you can get presents for all your family and friends? Happy holidays, ladies.
Oh, by gosh, by golly. Thank you so much, Christina.
Oh no. I got a D in algebra. Zoe had to withdraw from her psychology class, and Jennifer got a D and an incomplete.
I'm so sorry to hear this. We will talk for 10 minutes, maybe less before we go to lunch. If you'd like, you can bring some sleeping bags and spend the night. My husband is away.
Would it be okay if I brought my mom and my daughter to the sleepover?
You sure can, honey lamb.
We got all F's.
Had we taken Christina's class, we would have had at least one decent grade, and there would still have been some hope for us. Dumbest decision ever.
Christina, you are the owner of this place and we really want to take your class next semester. Please, isn't there anything you can do to get us another chance?
Absolutely not. You two have been the worst students I've seen yet. My sister may not have noticed, but I'm a lot more observant than she is. You better plead your case to the boards because you're toast. Off to the board's council courtroom with you right freaking now.
No.
Rachel and Rhonda, how did you two end up here?
Well, we got all F's on our report cards. Look at how devastated my daughter is after all the time and energy she wasted on you two bimbos. That's it. I'm sorry my child has to hear this, but you two are expelled from this academy. Go pack your stuff, and go home to your parents' house now.
Rachel, Rhonda, I can't believe you two got all F's on your report cards and got expelled from a non-profit private school.
That's it. You are grounded. And you two are so freaking grounded until we get you two bimbos into a new school.